Welcome back, Kings and Queens. We're here for another market open. It is Friday, July 8th. We have about 5 seconds. All right, market is open. So it looks like we started off pretty green in the pre-market, which is okay. Oh man, I was in a bit of a coughing fit before I started the live. So sometimes green isn't always good, just because it on a Friday, because it could mean that there is a sell-off. It doesn't look like that things are being sold off, at least not right now, but that could be the pump before everything does drop. You never know. I'm just going to start clicking into some things and seeing what direction we're headed. Alright. Everything so far in the first few seconds, well, let me not say everything. Alright, there's some red. Sorry about that. Okay. Whew. Oh man, that was a rough one. So if you're looking down below, Riot is now above the $5 range. Took a little bit to get back up there, but that's no big deal. I mean, it's still bouncing around. I think that only really happened because of Bitcoin and some other things going up a little bit. Which I did start DCAing just very minorly back into crypto, and I'm talking like, one coin or one token at a time at like $5 a piece, basically. Things that were like 50, 20, something like that, and now I'm just trying to buy them on discount as much as I possibly can. The things that I still think I'm pretty convicted in. But anyway, we're looking at stocks right now, so let's keep looking at stocks. Let's look into Ford. That looks like I have it pretty zoomed out right now. Okay, so that one's going green. Now, you can see the volume on, because it looks like the volume on everything else was starting to tip off too. Actually, UEC still has some pretty strong volume. Let's look back at that. Nope, that volume is back, going down too. Okay, yeah, so it looks like market open. A lot of people bought up. Where are we at now? Okay, so I'm about break even. Yeah, I just started making some money. I don't know why it's saying that I'm negative if it's saying my average price is this. I'm going to look into that and see why that is. But anyway, as of right now, I'm going to keep this. I'm not going to do anything with it. So it looks like the order that I set yesterday, I didn't put extended hours. So that's something I actually probably should have added to that video too. Oh, excuse me. Okay, alright, so that's the AT&T one. Alright. Okay. There we go. Okay, so my bottle's in the way. There we go. So I wanted to sell 4. Come on, why aren't you working for me right now? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. Alright. Brain fart. Okay, so we're selling 4. We're going to do limit, and now we're going to do good to close extended hours, and we want to do it at 374. So when this goes to 374, we'll sell only 4 of them. That'll get us so that we're holding 10. And now that's nothing crazy. It's not like I'm making a whole lot of money off of that, but what I want to do is I want to start getting my money flowing. So when I get into the positive in something, I don't want to get into the habit of holding these for months at a time. I do want to get in the habit of taking some off the table, even if it's $1.50, $2 here and there. Remember, we're working with a $168 account. So every time we make $5 on this account, it counts. So what I would like to start doing is getting the money to flow as much as possible, and every time I make an extra couple of bucks, I put that into cash in this account, and I kind of leave it there. More so that I can get my buying power up, because right now we're at 37 cents. So I'll sell these 4, and then of those 4, what does that come out to? I'm having such slow math, like 15, maybe 13, $14 ish. And maybe with that $13, $14, I'll go and buy something that's like sub $10, and the other 5 I'll hold on to for something else to come up. The main reason that I want to do that is because I want to start building a cash position in this account for the just in case time. So if things do start really crashing and I'm in everywhere, what am I going to do? Just hold my hands or whatever? I'm not going to say the proper expression. But anyway, but when everything tanks and there's like things on sale, even if I'm in that already, like if I sell 4 UEC at $3.74 and it goes down to $2, it would be nice to have some money to buy it. That's all I'm saying. In a very long-winded way. Okay, so let's look back over here. So yesterday we remember that space. We saw some news that Boeing is going to be helping space. Latest development is positive, but not enough to move this analyst off the sidelines. Okay, so let's just see what else is saying. So basically yesterday Okay, so basically the other day Boeing has now said that I'm going to read this another time, but it's either confirmed or they're talking about helping Virgin Galactic Holdings Space, SPCE, with launching their tourist vehicle into the edge of space. So basically the Boeing would take it up and then the ship would launch from there. So the biggest issue that sounded like Virgin Galactic was having was getting the ship all the way up for as cheap as possible. So that should help, because now they won't have to build something that's going to take it all the way up. And that being said, it went from $6 and whatever up to $7.30 yesterday. So I'm still in at about $8 and change, I think it is. So I'm not in the money yet, but this is something that I'm holding longer term anyway. Yeah, so I'm in at $8.41, and this is exactly why I'm saying I want to hold cash positions in these accounts, or start building those cash positions in these accounts, because when this thing was down at $5, $6, I could have bought some more, and I was able to buy a little bit more because I was playing with UEC still, so I was able to get 3 shares at an average of $8.41. But if I had a cash position, I could have brought that down lower. So anyway, I have 1 share of UEC in here, and I'm basically just waiting for that to go up to like $6 or double or something in here. It's only 1 share. It's not going to make any huge difference. So, all right, that's a quick overview of what is or has been going on or is going on this morning so far. Let's look at let me open up a new window. We're gonna look at crypto real quick. We'll see what crypto's doing. Why is it not moving? Removing it off of here. Oh, maybe I have to search. Okay, there we go. Yep, okay. I had to search and then move the bookmarks. Okay. So Bitcoin did go from like 19,000 the other day up to 21,000, or at least that's where it's sitting now. Ethereum, that went above the 1,000 mark again, but at the same time, I feel like I just saw it at 14,000. So, both of these, there's a few different ways to look at it. It could go lower because there's still so much uncertainty in the market as a whole, and we don't really know what's going on. or there is news that has been that I've been hearing where there's like the most crypto that's been taken off of an exchange at any one time, or most Bitcoin taken off of an exchange at any one time because people are putting it into cold storage, which means people have confidence in it, they're not going to be selling it. And we're at a point where there is the most wallets holding more than one Bitcoin at any time that haven't sold. So as far as those two metrics, I'm not going to pull up any charts right now, but that does say that people are having more confidence in crypto going forward. So we're at 21,000 with Bitcoin right now. We're at 1,200 with Ethereum. What else do I look at? 33 cents with XRP, 46 cents on Cardano. Let's see. Polkadot is another one that I look at. Okay. That all being said, let's look at cryptosrus.com. Headline read real quick. Alright. Outside the ecosystem, who knows? After paying off MakerDAO loan, what's next for Celsius? Okay, yeah, I got a lot of catching up to do still with crypto, but the basic trend is mainstream people don't think that we've seen the market bottom yet in crypto, but there are some crypto indicators saying that a lot of people are still highly convicted and aren't going to be moving their crypto. So I don't know, but I am starting to slowly DCA back into that. You know what, let me look at a couple more because I'm kind of curious. So Avalanche is another one that came down a whole lot. Polygon is another one that actually, Matic, that one changed a lot of how they're doing things. They're layer 2 on Ethereum, and they're down from $2.50 to $2.75, something around that range. Chainlink, I'm actually surprised that Chainlink is at $6. Now, before everything like ran up, they were at $4, I think it was, or $3 beforehand. So they're holding strong, higher than they were beforehand. So that they've been doing pretty well compared to how everything else has. CRO, which is now called Chronos, they're at 12 cents. Ooh, the hands starting to flare up. Yeah, I got a lot of looking into do, looking up, you know what I mean. Theta is another one. I actually want to see how that's running. I do have the streaming, or I've used like theta.tv before, so I want to see how that's working now lately. Axie Infinity, I'm looking into that to see if it is a decent time to get in there, see if their rewards are still pretty good, because when the crypto market comes up, I could see people getting back into Axie because it's a familiar game. eGold, I won't say that's always a good investment, but that is one that I usually hear a lot of high confidence around. So the fact that it's under $100, half of $100 almost, that could be good. There's a lot of catching up I need to do. Okay, this is good to know though. I think that is actually. Let me look at this real quick. Okay. The one around the corner actually just opened up today. Maybe I'll check them out. I'm going to check these guys out in person and see like how it actually runs. Because if possible, if I'm putting any money, even if it is just $30 into a company, I'd like to know if I enjoy it myself when I go there. Let me try and move this. And then once I do that, maybe if I like it, maybe what I'll do is I'll draw some lines on this next week, and maybe it'll be an option that we pick. But I have posted a video on how to complete an order. Like I said, I probably should have added the extended hours and good to close and stuff like that, and explain what that is. However, I did not, but I'm more than happy to do more videos to elaborate on that. Check out that video. I'll put a card up wherever it shows up. I think that would be over here. And I'll see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend.